Hey everybody, and welcome to another edition of Where the Heck Are the Albans? And where the heck are the Albans? We are actually at home, and do you know what day it is today, Vivi? It is Bark Box Day.
Yay.
Oh, you know, that's like Kevin and Fiona's favorite day, isn't it? So let's check out what the Bark Box is today.
Hey.
So this is Kevin and Fiona's favorite thing in the world. It's called a Bark Box. They get one a month, and we never know what the theme is going to be until we open it up. So look at them go at it. Look at that. They know what it is, and even Audrey gets into the act a little bit. Yeah. So
because she thinks she's a dog.
yeah, she does think she's a dog. So don't you? Yes, you do. Okay. So
Okay, let's see.
let's see what we got. Kevin always likes to open it.
Snuggles and hygiene.
Snuggles, Pups, and Hygiene.
That's what I'm like. I like hygiene. That's that Swedish or. All right, we got Miguel's chicken pot pie treats.
Okay.
Meekles. We got Pella's peppermint bark.
Okay.
These hygiene comfort.
Okay.
We got.
What are, oh my goodness.
We got a deluxe lamb chew, which I usually have to break that up into two. Put that down. All right, what do we got, guys?
What do we got for toys?
We got a squirrel,
We got Squirrel in pajamas.
and he makes some sort of noise. And we got a big cinnamon roll.
Big cinnamon.
Look at how cute that is.
That is cute.
That's so sad because these will only last about 30 minutes.
Let's take the tags off. Yeah, because I'll show you kind of the before and after here. Here's the before.
All right,
I'll show you what they
here we
look
go.
like afterwards. And off he goes.
Okay, Fiona.
Fiona, you going with the squirrel?
Squirrel. It's bigger than you. Oh, no,
No,
Kevin's got squirrel.
Kevin will steal whatever Fiona has. And that's it. Oh, he wants both of them.
You can't.
You can't have both,
You can't
Kevin.
even put both in your mouth, dummy. I'm gonna do what I can.
Oh yeah? I'll bet you I can put both in my mouth.
What, Fiona, that's all I got. I can give you a treater.
How about that?
Here.
He even hears the word treater, so. So what kind of treats is this one?
These are
This is
the chicken pot pies.
chicken pot pie. Kevin,
Hey!
sit down. Sit.
Everyone sit. Good girl. Sit down. Give me a high five. All right. Here, Audrey, you want one too?
Sure.
It's chicken. It's pot pie. How could this
So,
go wrong?
alright, well, so like I said, here are the befores. We'll,
No more treats. Eat your plate or your toy.
play with the toy now. But I like the treats better.
Hygiene is pronounced, Huga. It's pronounced Huga.
Huga. Snuggle up with your pup. Huga. Here's it.
I love Huga. Huga is what I want to do this winter now that I don't work. It's all about fires and cozy and just, he's already like unraveled it. Oh wait, maybe that was
I
supposed
think that's supposed to come off. So, but look at this Huga stuff that you can purchase.
Why go outside when it's freezing cold? Snuggle up and play BarkBox board game. Find the game and full instructions on BarkBox paper. Oh.
So all the directions are on the bark box paper. Look at that. That's the board game. So the paper in the box is the board game, and these are the players.
Ah!
Cool. Okay, well, about 5 minutes later, and we've got both ears ripped off the squirrel. Somehow the tail has made it. Yeah, but look at this. Look at the cinnamon roll is pretty much empty. Kevin, what have you done to the cinnamon roll? Huh? You have emptied it. Look at that. The squeaker's still in it though. That's amazing. Usually the squeaker comes out too, but yeah, look at that. So now I got a little mess to clean up. So that's Bark Box. Yeah, what he usually does is he unstuffs all the animals, takes the squeakers out, and then he just him and Fiona play with the empty shells of what's left. So we'll see how much. This will probably be emptied by tomorrow. So that's right. This was from the last bark box we got. Deliciously Wicked Duck.
And it was Grinch themed.
That was the Grinch, yeah. Okay, you guys sit. High five. Okay, you gave me a high five. You give me a high five. There you go. So there's a duck treat for you and a duck treat for you. Did Vivi just leave her shoes just laying around? Oh well, that's okay. Can you say goodbye to everybody? Bye everybody. So they made quite a mess, didn't they? Mm-hmm. They always do. They always like to just gut them and then play with the empty shells. But as always, they just look at. Do you hear it in the background?
Yeah.
Kevin's still working on his squeaker on the cinnamon roll. He cannot figure out how to get that one out. So normally they're out within like 5 minutes. So, but
Maybe less.
yeah. But he's already ripped the ears off the squirrel. He did that in the first 3 minutes. All right. Well, if you like what you see, as always, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below. And we'll see you guys next time on...
Where the heck are the Albans?
All right. Bye, guys.
Bye.